All right, so anyway, you purchase your DJI Mini 2 drone, right? And you see in the box, you get your drone. It's all wrapped up like this. You also get a couple extra propellers for the, these things here. They give you a tool. They give you a couple extra screws for the top here. And then they give you a charging USB-C. And then you also get a USB-C to USB-C cord, and you get a USB-C to a traditional small USB. And then you're like going, well, where's the iOS cord? Where's the cord for Apple? Well, I'm going to show you how to find it. What you're going to do is you're going to pull this open, and guess what? Here's the Apple cord here. This is it right here. Here's your FireWire for your iPhone, and it's connected in here. And if you pull this out, you'll see that's a USB-C, right? So that's USB-C there, and this is your Apple FireWire, which is for some reason they hide inside of here. I mean, it's not hidden. I mean, that's where it's supposed to hook in. But if you're having a hard time finding it, that's where it's at. It's on your controller. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to find your FireWire controller for your DJ Mini. Peace out.